This morning, the Trump administration is promoting possible new treatments for COVID-19, including one that uses convalescent plasma.
This treatment involves taking blood plasma from patients who have already recovered from the virus.
On Saturday, Houston Methodist Hospital became the first in the nation to test the experimental therapy, transfusing plasma from a recent COVID-19 survivor into an infected patient.
The idea is that plasma may have parts of the immune system like antibodies against the COVID-19 virus that could potentially help patients that are currently sick with COVID-19.
The treatment has been around for decades, used with varying degrees of success during past viral outbreaks, including the 1918 flu pandemic, Ebola, and SARS. And overnight, anti-malaria drugs supported by President Trump now fast-tracked by the FDA to be used as an experimental treatment for COVID-19.
It could be a game changer and maybe not.
Dr. David Boulware from the University of Minnesota is one of the first FDA-approved physicians to conduct clinical trials of hydroxychloroquine.
First trial is looking at can we prevent disease in people who have a high-risk exposure. And second trial is looking at people who, once they develop symptoms, early symptoms, can we give preemptive therapy early in the treatment course? And so we're hopeful to have results really in the matter of weeks and not months.
Other drugs are on the table, too, including the unapproved antiviral drug remdesivir, unsuccessful at treating Ebola, but now in clinical trials for COVID-19. Chris Kane got the drug when he was in the hospital.
I got on that, and 3 or 4 days later, within 48 hours, I was feeling a lot better.
Promising leads, while several pharmaceutical companies try for the ultimate goal, a vaccine. One even started with human trials.
The experience was very similar to getting a flu shot. My arm is actually even less sore than flu shots I've had in the past. So I'm feeling good.
But experts warn it will take time. Some estimate up to 18 months, and that's considered record speed. Round-the-clock research with modern medicine to try to stop a global threat. For today, Kathy Park, NBC News.